Alright, hello fellow YouTubers, Amtrak 3501 here. I was getting a lot of questions about how these pulsators work. Damn, look how clean that tag is. So this is the very first pulsator I bought. Don't remember how much I bought it for, but it wasn't as much as the other couple pulsators I've seen on eBay go for. I think one was on sale for, not for sale, but posted at $500, and the other one was like $575, and I haven't seen no since. There is another one. Well, not that one, but that's the second pulsator I just got. There's one more pulsator on eBay. It's at $229. I think that's a fair deal. Anyway, I don't know if you can see right there. I'll take that apart here in a minute. Well, you can see a little flapper in there. So you lift this up. You see those 4 little holes in the chopper. You know, obviously it's just a Model L now with no pulsator. Now those holes are for them little 2 wires sticking out. And when this thing, okay, I have to tighten that up because I sounded this off once and that wire actually broke. So yeah, you spin this fast. Actually, it looks like it's opening up now. Yep, there. And now it's closing back up. So yeah, it's really all there is to it, really. I mean, and I hope this answers everybody's question about how these things work. I mean, that's quite a little neat little thing Federal did there. And so it's pretty, I know. Like I said, there's one more left on eBay for a very decent price compared to the others that I've seen. So by all means, if you want to go for it, guys. I think $229 plus $12 in shipping is a good deal. Well, if you have any more questions, let me know.